Oof. Well, if you're considering he's just been booked, Maduro had better be a little bit more thoughtful about his actions. Barca taking that one a bit quickly, perhaps. It's with Messi, though. Still Messi. Still Leo Messi. Leo Messi! What a goal! Unbelievable football from Leo Messi. Staggering. His 20th goal of the season from absolutely nothing. Well, he's been Barca's best player by far tonight. And there, once again, Leo Messi has shown why he is considered to be the best player in the world. Brilliant goal from Messi. Look at this again. I don't think it really needs any commentary just for you to enjoy it. Absolutely stunning. The way he turns the elbow there and then sends the keeper the wrong way is magnificent. I wish I could see what the t-shirt said. Moment of genius. Yet another from Leo Messi, and Barcelona are in front.